How to delete Instagram story replies. If any day you have commented or replied to any of the Instagram story of your friend or any of your relatives or your close person, but by mistake you have sent a wrong message or wrong reply out there and you want to delete it but do not know how to do that, then don't worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a steady internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. In order to do that, you have to go to the search section on your mobile device. After you move to the search section on your mobile device, you have to search Instagram out there. After you search Instagram out there, you have to tap on the very Instagram application there. After you tap on the Instagram application, you can see an interface like this, which is the home interface. After that, you have to go to the option of the chat sections there and tap on the option of the chat section. After you tap on the option of the chat section, you have to tap on the very person whose Instagram story reply you would like to delete or you would like to just unsend. Now you have to tap on the very Instagram story reply. After you tap on that, you have the option of unsend there. You have to tap on the option of unsend there, and this way your very Instagram story reply will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Instagram story reply very easily. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.